Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I will be showing you how to add contacts to Mailchimp. It's very easy and very simple, guys, so focus and you will be finding yourself experimenting and having a very professional way to add your contacts here. So first of all, when you open Mailchimp and you log into your account, you are going to find this dashboard. Go to audience, which is located on the left side bar menu, and here, as you can see, you will be finding add contacts right here. So what you will need to do is to import contact, but what we are going to do, there is two ways, either adding by importing or add single line, or basically we can import a mass. So I'm going to show you how. Import contacts, and here we can add contacts by importing them. So there is three methods in general. There is importing them from another service. For example, you have a database in somewhere else. You could use a third-party app automatically, which helps you to synchronize these two apps, which are Mailchimp in your app, and basically you will import the contact directly here. The second method, which is, for example, you have an Excel file with columns or a text file that has the informations and the data that you need, and import it right here. And the third and last, it is copy and paste. Copy and paste is the one that I really enjoy doing, since you can add them manually, view them here, verify them, and then you will go to the next step where you are going to make sure that everything is correct. So here I'm just gonna go ahead and do here, for example, Amelia Rania at gmail.com. Here, Amelia. Here's something like that. New York, 91, and here 91 over, for example. Click on continue. Here I'm going to go ahead and let's wait a little bit. Click on continue again, continue, and there we go. Now we attach everything to the correct field: email address, first name, last name, address, birthday, and phone number. Continue. Finalize import, complete import. Just like that, we have added our contact to Mailchimp. Hope you like this video, and see you guys in the next tutorial.